Hello, everyone, and welcome to the heart of America. Get ready to explore the beauty and charm of the Midwest with me, your host. From rolling hills and sprawling farmlands to vibrant cities pulsing with life, the Midwest offers a tapestry of experiences that will captivate your senses. This video will highlight top destinations, essential travel tips, and must-see attractions to make your Midwestern adventure truly unforgettable. Our first stop takes us to the vibrant metropolis of Chicago, Illinois, known for its stunning skyline, world-class museums, and of course, that famous Chicago pizza. First up, we're heading to Millennium Park, home to iconic sculptures like Cloud Gate, affectionately nicknamed the Bean. No trip to Chicago is complete without indulging in a slice of their legendary deep dish pizza at Lou Malnati's. From the buttery crust to the generous toppings, every bite is a testament to Chicago's culinary heritage. From the Art Institute of Chicago to catching a Broadway-caliber show in the theater district, Chicago will leave you breathless. Next, our Midwestern road trip takes us to Minneapolis, Minnesota, a city where urban sophistication meets natural beauty. We're starting our exploration at the Walker Art Center, renowned for its contemporary and modern art collections. Be sure to check out the Minneapolis Sculpture Garden, featuring iconic works like Claes Oldenburg's Spoon Bridge and Cherry. Afterward, let's indulge in Minneapolis's thriving culinary scene at Spoon and Stable, helmed by James Beard award-winning chef Gavin Kaysen. For a trendy and affordable stay, look no further than Moxie Minneapolis Uptown, with its vibrant common areas and rooftop bar. Minneapolis will surprise you with its blend of art, culture, and outdoor adventure. Get ready to experience the charm of Madison, Wisconsin, a city that seamlessly blends natural beauty, academic prestige, and a vibrant cultural scene. Our first stop takes us to the State Capitol building, an architectural masterpiece with a stunning dome and intricate mosaics. Next up, we're diving into Madison's thriving farm-to-table scene at L'Etoile, showcasing the freshest seasonal ingredients from local farmers. For a boutique hotel experience, look no further than Hotel Red, featuring bold design elements and a rooftop terrace. From exploring the scenic shores of Lake Mendota to strolling down State Street, Madison offers a delightful blend of relaxation and urban excitement. Welcome to Omaha, Nebraska, a city brimming with history, culture, and Midwestern hospitality. First up, we're stepping back in time at the Old Market, Omaha's most historic neighborhood. Cobblestone streets lined with charming brick buildings house art galleries, antique shops, and cozy cafes. Omaha is a meat lover's paradise, and no trip would be complete without experiencing a traditional steakhouse dinner at Gorat's Steakhouse. For modern and stylish accommodations, look no further than Element Omaha Midtown Crossing, offering spacious suites with fully equipped kitchens. From exploring the Henry Dorley Zoo and Aquarium to catching a performance at the Orpheum Theater, Omaha offers a diverse range of attractions for every interest. Our Midwestern adventure culminates in Kansas City, Missouri, a city renowned for its barbecue, jazz music, and vibrant art scene. Our first stop takes us to the Nelson Atkins Museum of Art, home to an impressive collection spanning centuries and cultures. No trip to Kansas City would be complete without indulging in their legendary barbecue at Joe's Kansas City Barbecue. For a unique and art-filled stay, the 21C Museum Hotel seamlessly blends contemporary art with luxurious accommodations. From catching a live jazz performance at the historic 18th and Vine Jazz District to cheering on the Kansas City Royals at Kauffman Stadium, Kansas City offers a vibrant blend of history, culture, and entertainment. From the soaring skyscrapers of Chicago to the charming streets of Omaha, the Midwest has captivated us with its beauty, warmth, and endless possibilities. Ready to pack your bags and hit the road? The American Midwest awaits. Embrace the open road, embrace the warmth of the people, and discover the magic that unfolds with every passing mile. Until next time, happy travels!